Hey, look who it is! It's Numberblock One. What are you doing here? I was supposed to meet my friends here, but they're nowhere around. Can you help me find them? Let's help Numberblock One find all of her missing friends. We'll use this shovel to dig the sand. Hey, what do we have here? We have an orange block. Let's keep digging, see if we can find anything else. Here's another one. That makes 2. Hey, look at that! It's Numberblock 2. We found Numberblock 2. Let's take Numberblock 2 to be with his friend. Now we found Numberblock 2. I wonder if any more of her friends are buried in the sand. Let's keep digging to see if we can find any more. Hey, what have we got here? We have a yellow block. Let's see if there's any more. Look, we've got another one. Now let's keep digging. Hey, we've got something else here. It's another yellow block. Now we have 3 blocks. Look at that! It's Numberblock 3. We found Numberblock 3. Let's put him with his friends. Oops. Silly Numberblock 3. Let's help him back up. Is anyone else buried under the sand? Let's keep digging and find out. Hey look, what have we got here? It looks like we've got a green block. Let's keep digging and see if we can find any more. Hey, we've got some more here. 1, 2, 3. And 4. 4 blocks. Hey, look at that! It's Numberblock 4. 4 blocks makes a square. Let's take Numberblock 4 to be with his friends. Now we found 2, 3 and 4. I wonder if anyone else is buried in the sand. Let's keep digging and see if we can find any more of her friends. What do we have here? We have 3 light blue blocks. Let's keep going to see if there are any more. Hey, here's 2 more. 3 blocks plus 2 makes 5. Hey, look at that! It's Numberblock 5. Let's put 5 with the rest of the number blocks. Now we've got 5. I wonder if there are any more buried in the sand. Let's keep going. Hey look, we've got some here. We've found some purple blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if there are any more. Hey, here's another one, and 1 more. That makes 6. Look at that, it's Numberblock 6. Let's take Numberblock 6 to be with her friends. Now we found number 6. Let's see if we can find any more numbers buried in the sand. Let's get back to the shovel and carry on digging. Hey, here's a red and orange block. And we've also got a yellow, green, light blue, purple and violet. That's all of the colours of the rainbow. Do you know how many colours are in a rainbow? That's right, 7 colours in a rainbow. Hey look! We've found Numberblock 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colours in a rainbow. Let's put Numberblock 7 with all of his friends. Now let's carry on digging and see if we can find any more number blocks. Hey look, we've got some blocks here. We have 4 pink blocks. Let's line them up. And now we'll carry on digging and see if we can find some more. Hey look here, we've got another 4. Let's put them next to the original 4. 2 rows of 4 makes 8. Hey, look at that! It's Numberblock 8. I'm Octoblock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put Octoblock next to his friends, and then we'll get back to the shovel and see if we can find any more number blocks. Hey, look! I can see some blocks here. We've got some grey blocks. Let's line them up and see how many we've got. We've got a row of 3, another row of 3, and another row of 3. That makes Numberblock 9. We found Numberblock 9. 3 rows of 3 makes 9. 3 rows of 3 make a square. Let's put Numberblock 9 with the rest of his friends, and then we'll carry on digging to see if we can find any more. Hey look, we've got some white blocks. How many do we have? Let's line them up and see. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 white blocks. Hey, look at that! It's Numberblock 10. We found Numberblock 10. 2 rows of 5 make 10. Let's put Numberblock 10 with her friends. And look at that! We found all of Number 1's Numberblock friends. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job helping me find all of Numberblock One's friends. Subscribe to our channel for more learning adventures, and we'll see you next time.